आएंगे the camel under the.
Swati, your hair looks great.
You're not getting an extra point for this. We said that.
Rohit, your hair.
And we are going to be live.
Thanks यार. खाली पिक्चर में मेरा हेयर अच्छा लग रहा है यार. रियल
नहीं मैं रियल लाइफ की बात कर रहा हूँ साले.
Whoever said that Swati's hair is looking good.
Salam, namaste, sat sri akal. You are listening to Radio Zindagi. Actually, not listening. You can watch us live. A lot of crap went on air while we were discussing. But ये मेरे सारे listeners के लिए है. जो भी हमें join करते हैं, किसका band बजेगा पे. This is a brand new show जहाँ पर हम करते हैं कोशिश to make it a lot of fun, to have a lot of fun. And if you would like to join us here, तो सबसे पहले तो ये कीजिए, एक watch party start कीजिए अपने friends के साथ, so you can watch us have fun, and then you get to be on the show by simply emailing me swati@radiozindagi.com, and we will help you come and feature on Radio Zindagi page. We will figure out how to put you, give you a spot, and make sure that you have a blast while you join us here. तो एक और एपिसोड है, आज भी मैं आप सबके लिए लेके आई हूँ कुछ बहुत सारे बेहतरीन. आई थिंक मेरा बेस्ट पैनल ये है. आई मीन वी विल सी, बट दिस इज द पैनल.
Every time she says the same thing.
मैं सोच ही रहा था हम गौरव से तो कहीं अच्छे हैं. हाँ, anyway.
All right, okay. So आप सबको पता ही है कि हम रेडियो जिंदगी की टीम है. We are a huge team, and we have been 8 years. We have been in the Bay Area and ruling Bay Area for the last 8 years. But today I have some of the early RJs of Radio Zindagi. Uday Devaspar, everybody give him a big hand. Alright, Uday used to be with us Tuesday को शालू के बोल गप्पे with Uday. If you have heard the show, then आप comment कीजिए, हमें बताइए Facebook live पर. If you are cheering for Uday today, do let us know. और आज Uday कैसा खेलेगा?
I have to cheer.
You have to cheer, yes, absolutely. उसके बाद हमारे साथ है रोहित सैनी. रोहित, hello and welcome on किसका बैंड बजेगा. Rohit also used to do a very popular show all about पुराने गाने. I really used to like your show a lot.
नाम बता, शो के नाम बता.
Exactly.
पुराने गाने with Rohit.
पुराने ऐसा नहीं था कोई नाम. क्या तुम्हारी भी? Okay, सहबा.
फटी हुई चीज.
The idea of muting you, I think I should have just muted you guys. Seba, the next person is Seba. By the way, I need to tell you, ये जो weekday shows I may or may not catch, but Saturday Tadka I used to watch. So people who are used to watching or listening to Saturday Tadka, this is the face behind the voice. Everybody give a cheer to Seba.
And this is going to be damn tricky. Half your fingers are going to be in and out. Because
I know, right? It's hard to keep me less animated.
Seba, but can you just for me say Saturday Tadka, like how you used to say?
Saturday ka tadka.
It had so much energy.
This is going to be a very challenging show for you because you put us all on mute, and you cannot mute RJs, dude. It's just not possible. Nobody's tried before.
That's true. And by the way, जो भी लोग हमें Facebook Live पर देख रहे हैं, please contribute. Tell us if you've been listening to us. Who is your favorite RJ? Let's get chatty on the chat screen on
contribute
Facebook.
वाला मेरे को लगा तो donation का link भी चाहिए. Contribute, vote, donate.
हमें donate जरूर करिए.
Up next हमारे साथ है Tuesday Tamasha with RJ Khyati. Woo! See, I remember the name of your show.
You do.
See, और तेरे 2-3 और शो थे?
हाँ, बहुत सारे शोज रहे हैं. साहिबा ने मुझे बहुत घुमाया है.
Khyati, तुम finally आती. I'm so happy.
पॉलिटिक्स, हमारा इंटरनल रेडियो जिंदगी पॉलिटिक्स को साइड में रखेंगे जहाँ पे हम इसके उसके शो में कभी भी घुस जाते थे. बट एक और हमारे साथ आरजे जुड़ी है जो कि रेडियो जिंदगी में बहुत सारे शोज कर चुकी है, बहुत सारे इंटरव्यू कर चुकी है. नेम दैट नीड्स नो इंट्रोडक्शन, ईशा दुबे. गिव इट अ चीयर, गिव इट अ चीयर.
थैंक यू. आई थिंक ईशा इज द वन जिसने सुबह, दोपहर, शाम, रात सारे शोज किए.
Yes,
बिल्कुल.
She's day and night.
Midnight, weekend, कहीं पर भी उसकी आवाज suddenly आ जाती थी. By the way, तुम्हें पता है अगर तुम्हें स्कूल जाना है तो कौन सी जगह पे जाना है? I mean, I'm like, why is she? I mean, how come she's here? But
and Isha, when Swati said this is going to be a veteran show, now that you're on it, we really feel veteran.
Yeah, I really feel veteran. That's true.
बच्चा हम लोग ऐड करते हैं. कैसे ऐड के बारे में बताना है हम बताएंगे. All the Jyotishes in the world, we'll tell you how to introduce them.
All right, party is on. This is for all our listeners. आप भी जुड़िए हमारे साथ और tell us who you like, who are you cheering for, और आप अपने guesses भी भेज सकते हैं. But that brings me to the format of the show. Or everybody, pull up your socks. Everybody understand what the game is, but I'm going to still repeat because there still seems to be some confusion. So here is the thing. ये सारे जो participants आप देख रहे हैं, इन सबको एक questionnaire मिला था. They have submitted answers. I'm not going to be asking questions, but I'm going to be giving out one of those answers. All they have to do is find out who the answer came from. यहाँ पर सारे जो participants हैं वो कोशिश करेंगे कि वो बाकी लोगों को गुमराह करें, तो बैंड उसका बजेगा जिसके सारे आंसर्स पकड़े जाएंगे या फिर कुछ आंसर्स पकड़े जाएंगे. और मुझे अभी याद आया कि मैंने कोई पेन नहीं रखा हुआ अपने पास. So why don't we go around the room?
कहते हैं planning. Ay, shabash.
Guys, you just vote for me. Elections bhi aa rahe hain, so you guys already in the rhythm. Just vote for me. I'll do so many things for you.
Okay,
Whatever
don't
you
get excited. Don't get excited. I figured out a pen situation.
I'll make the America great again. So just vote for me.
इनका चिन्ह symbol है cake.
True. Okay, so Uday, why don't you tell us कि जो आपको questions मिले थे, there are गाने, there is books. There are different questions this time. How would you define your style? And we'll go around the room.
Anything Malayalam.
I'm very traditional. I love classical music. Some of my favorite. Bandish Bandits is one of my favorite shows. Oh shoot, that was one of the questions. Sorry. But in any case, I love Bandish Bandits. Love Javed Ali. I like some of the new music. Not a whole lot. I'm more of a mellow kind of guy. Not
two lines.
Very, okay, only 2 lines. Okay, and
Swati, let him sing. Uday Jai. Gana, please.
Seba, you are next. What is your sense of style?
Wait, you have to let me think. My sense of style. Okay.
What kind of music?
Let me think about it.
Sure.
Actually, my sense of style is very universal. I think I like a little bit of everything. I like a little bit of the old and the new and the classical and the contemporary and modern, everything. Anything that
Mambo
sounds
number
good.
5 है तू.
And Hanji?
Mambo number 5.
हाँ.
Okay,
exactly.
okay. Listen. बहुत बड़ा शो नहीं करेंगे ताकि लोग पक ना जाएं, तो थोड़ी हमारी बातों को क्लिप कर लेंगे. Rohit, I can't edit. So Rohit, what's your sense of style? What kind of music? अच्छा, movies बता दो. तुम कैसी movies सुनते हो?
यार मूवीज तो सारी पसंद है मुझे. सिंगर किशोर दा से स्टार्ट और किशोर दा से एंड. ही इज माय गुरु. सब कुछ. मूवीज एनीथिंग यार, एनीथिंग फन जिसमें ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़े. गोविंदा माय फेवरेट.
इनके आंसर्स और इनकी ये जो स्पीच है उसमें डिफरेंस है कि नहीं वो हमें पता चलेगा over the course of the show. Kathy, what's your style?
My style, yeah, I had my style, I had my preferences, I had my playlist, and I had everything in set. But then I became an RJ, so.
Okay.
Nicely played. ख्याति अपना जो ये है USP बताना नहीं चाह रही है. Isha, what about you? Are you going to be honest with us or not?
I'm always very honest, and I'm exactly like what Seba said. I am blend of everything. I like old, I like Bandish Bandit, I like new, I like everything. Mix.
ये भी कोई आंसर हुआ नहीं, बट हमें पता चलेगा कि कौन सच बोल रहा है, कौन झूठ बोल रहा है. Let me read a few comments. Anu is saying hi to everybody. Party is on.
Hi, Anu.
Hello, Anu.
Anu is saying your election speech is much better than some other people who are running for election.
Vote for cake.
All right, okay. Alright, so basically अब हम हमारा शो शुरू करने वाले हैं. पहला राउंड जो है वो है गानों का राउंड. So जो पहला गाना बजेगा, that is going to be this, and you have to guess whose music choice it is, okay?
What is Urvashi? कौन सी लैंग्वेज है
यार? ये हाँ, ये
कौन सी लैंग्वेज है?
Tamil.
हिंदी नहीं था.
Come on, this is Prabhudeva's first song, dude. What are you guys doing?
चिक्का इसका हिंदी वर्जन भी था.
We have to go round by round.
Raja Babu. Come on.
Okay, उदय, जब तुझे गाने के बारे में इतना पता है तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि ये गाना तेरा है, right?
ए बस क्या, वो तो मलयालम तूने बोला था स्टार्ट में, ये
मलयालम,
रियली तमिल है?
तमिल सब एक जैसा ही है, सब लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं.
नहीं, but Uday,
Are you going to
Uday,
go
why
by
is this
rounds?
not your song?
Are you
Yes.
going to go by rounds asking everybody? Okay.
Uday, why is this your song or not your song?
This is definitely my song. I love Prabhudev.
Is this your song? And that's your defense?
Yeah, that's
You
it.
remember, like, you have to defend your choice.
if my singing along a Tamil song, even though I'm not a Tamilian, is not good enough for you guys, I don't know what it is.
Okay. Saiba, whose song pick do you think it is?
I'm trying to pour into Uday's eyes and find the truth, but I think because it's Tamilian, right? I mean, it's South Indian. It's not going to be his. That would be too obvious. So it's not his. I think it's
Love it.
Khyati.
Tamilian and Khyati.
And I'm totally judging. Saiba was saying Tamil. I mean South Indian. South Indian is not a language.
Okay, moving on. I'm from Bombay. Everything up north is north. Everything down south is south.
I'm from Bombay too. What is this?
Yeah.
Anu is saying it's a A.R. Rahman Prabhudeva's song and she loves this song. Khyati, why is this not your song? And who do you think this song is from?
यार मेरी soul भी गुजराती है. Come on.
इसीलिए ये तेरा गाना है.
घर पे लिखा है. If people has to judge me by
Okay, I will tell you. I think this is Isha's song.
क्योंकि वो चुपचाप बैठी हुई है. वो सोच रही है मैं किन पागलों के साथ फंस गई.
वो बात नहीं कर रही क्योंकि वो बहुत honest है.
See, last time also Gaurav was very quiet and he won the round. So we should all take a lesson from all these
Okay.
people.
Okay, wait. Isha will come to you. Khyati, who do you think किसका गाना है? किसका गाना है?
Uday.
Uday. You think it's because वो obvious ऐसे करेगा? इतना बेवकूफ जैसे करेगा?
इसमें by the way करना क्या है? हमको सबको वोटिंग करने का है.
हाँ, आपको वोटिंग करना है कि किसका गाना है.
अच्छा, ये उदय का ही गाना है भाई. मतलब सीरियस यही है ना? This is the voting. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, this is the voting. Okay,
What-
Isha,
But
तुझे क्या लगता है?
Rohit, they're all going to bluff their way. So remember that.
अरे वो
That
खुद गा रहा है यार, उसके साथ
सैबा ये रोहित का गाना है. वो bluff कर रहा है.
हाँ,
wait.
oh yeah, man, that is
I
true.
think it's Khyati.
तो मैंने सोचा नहीं.
Okay, okay. Isha, तेरा वोट Khyati है, पर तेरा क्यों नहीं है? तू भी सुन सकती है ये गाने.
That's true, but मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है Khyati है. Because she
Okay,
tries to like be different कि मैं ये
तो
मैं
दो लोगों ने ख्याति का नाम लिया और दो लोगों ने मेरा.
देख, ख्याति ने स्वाति के साथ प्रैक्टिस बहुत किया है, तो इतनी स्ट्रैटेजी एट दिस पॉइंट तो ख्याति लगा सकते
तो if we say Khyati और वो Khyati
Khyati.
का गाना नहीं
अच्छा
है.
अच्छा, ख्याति की स्ट्रैटेजी के बारे में बताओ. तो जो रेस्पॉन्सेस आए थे, ख्याति का पहला रेस्पॉन्स था गुजराती सॉन्ग, नवरात्रि सॉन्ग. I was like, so I mean,
हाँ.
but
Ram
maybe she
Ram.
Can I change my mind then?
एक मिनट. Can I say something? स्वाति, तूने ऑलरेडी बहुत बकर कर ली मेरे और तेरे बारे में. अब जो हमारी डील हुई ना, मैं तुझे जो देने वाली हूँ, वो दारू बोतल का नाम वाम सब मत बता देना.
correct.
अच्छा,
Okay,
I will make a serious
Maybe
note.
then Uday. I don't know.
On a
Okay,
serious
let's
note, it's Rohit. On a serious note, it's Rohit.
Honestly,
Uday
Can we
thinks
pick
it's
two?
Rohit.
Can we pick two?
No.
Only
I-
one?
Yes.
Yeah, no,
yeah.
on a serious note, it's Rohit. Because he
have-
You
knows this
think
song.
is mine.
Uday thinks it's Rohit. Rohit, you think it is Uday? Do you want to change your vote or?
नहीं, I'm changing it. ये साला सब लोग यार मेरे को तुमने
जीत
रूल्स ठीक
गए.
से समझाया नहीं यार. I'll say Isha.
Oh, you also think it's Isha?
Yeah.
Okay.
भाई also मतलब और कौन है भाई ईशा वाला?
नहीं, इसने भी बोला था ना, ख्याति को भी लग रहा था कि ईशा का गाना
अच्छा
है.
हाँ
और-
हाँ ईशा.
नहीं, ख्याति
ख्याति-
का मेरा गाना
I'm
है.
with you.
मैंने पहले ईशा बोला था, मैंने चेंज किया.
Okay,
Okay,
last
Khyati, how about
answers.
I think Uday.
Uday. Saiba.
ये ईशा
रोहित-
का पोकर फेस देख के अभी मेरे को डाउट हो रहा है, लेकिन आई विल बी
देखो,
लॉयल
doubt
टू
हो रहा है.
ख्याति.
ये ख्याति बोल रही है.
Khyati. Okay. How about Isha? Isha, how about you? Who's
it's
your vote?
Uday. I think it's Uday.
ईशा तो चेंज मत कर.
अच्छा, I have one question. I have to ask you this. कि if we say Khyati और Khyati को maximum number of votes मिलते हैं और Khyati नहीं है, तो will Khyati win?
No.
No, the person who gets the right will get the point. See?
Yeah. And the person, और या फिर अगर सभी के आंसर इधर-उधर है, अगर किसी को नहीं पता चला, the person who
तो
bluffed
स्वाति
best
wins.
will.
तो स्वाति gets the point. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ.
I think it's Uday. I think it's Uday.
You think it's Uday? Okay, तो तुझे लगता है उदय, सैबा को लगता है ख्याति, ख्याति को लगता है उदय, उदय को क्या लगता है? रोहित.
रोहित.
You sure? All right. Okay. So everybody,
yes.
anyone wants to change
और
their
रोहित
answer?
का क्या है? रोहित का क्या है?
रोहित
ईशा,
को लगता
ईशा.
है ईशा. ठीक है, everybody ready?
तूने लिख लिया?
ईशा, I'll kill you if this is you.
Don't mess with me. अभी ऐसे मैंने पकड़ के रखा है आंसर्स को. Okay. The
Closing my
point
ears.
goes to उदय, ये रोहित का गाना है.
Oh my God!
And I will tell, and I will
What a
tell you why,
poker
because उसको
face.
शायद याद आया होगा राजा बाबू का गाना.
हाँ,
नहीं,
included.
No, but
What a
Uday, why
Raja
you
Babu
think
था
it's
क्या
his
ये?
song? It's Rohit's
पक
song.
चिक पक राजा बाबू चल
It
गया.
Govinda
was a
song.
great
अच्छा,
answer. It was
हाँ,
a great
हाँ.
answer.
What a poker face!
Uday was like, मेरा गाना है, ये मेरा गाना है, ये मेरा गाना है, because maybe I thought that's his strategy.
मैं गाना
No.
सुनने के बाद मेरे को लगा ये मेरा गाना होना चाहिए था.
और उसने immediately change कर दिया.
Rohit, you're a guru.
I know. I know.
Learning.
Okay.
Gaurav, not Guru. He's next Gaurav.
अबे
All
बस
right.
क्या
So
यार.
this is for people who are watching us. So there is another track that I'm going to talk about now, and one of these people has entered that answer. But we're going to discuss about it later. So if you want to guess what the song is, do send us your entries, and we will figure out if you got it right or not. And जो दूसरा गाना है, वो है तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी. That song by Raja, कौन था भाई? अल्ताफ राजा. Okay? अल्ताफ राजा का गाना किसी ने भेजा है और हम इसको टैकल करेंगे लास्ट में, but I'm opening it up for our viewers who are watching us. Tell us if there was an Altaf Raja song, who among these participants have sent us that song. But we will tackle that later. I'm moving on to our next round where I asked you guys to send us top movies or CDs or whatever content that you're watching. The responses that I got were Harish Chandra, Surya Vansham, Game of Thrones, A Few Good Men, Swades, there was Crown. But what I picked for you today is, I think this sharing is a problem. Oh, why don't I just, yeah. Okay, so what I picked for you today is Ting ding 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 Rang De Basanti. Everybody loves this movie. Everybody loves the music. But only one of you sent me that answer. So who amongst you picked Rang De Basanti? I'm going to go to Kathy. Kathy, who do you think sent that answer?
I think it's Isha.
Why everybody?
I like the confidence. She's like, I think it's Isha.
I think it's Seba.
Really?
Nah.
Okay. So Isha, तुझे क्यों लगता है ये सहबा का गाना है?
वो गाना भी discussing.
Sorry, the movie,
Yeah.
movie.
I think she might like such films.
But everybody likes such films. Anyway, but why
This
is
is a tough one.
Either Khyati or Seba. I think so.
okay?
If
How about you
Rohit,
then?
if you're giving Rohit another turn, I'm going to come and bash you.
By the way, that can happen too. तो ऐसा मत समझना कि I have got answers सबके में से एक ऐसा नहीं है.
So
Rohit का भी हो
you've
सकता है.
got everybody's movies, like, so you're gonna do, this is the only movie turn, you'll be going with like,
This is the only movie
Achha,
turn.
this is
You
the
guys
only
have given
movie
me,
turn.
yes, you guys have given me a lot of movies. I picked just one, थोड़ा common type movie ताकि confuse हो सके.
okay.
ये रोहित नहीं है.
तू क्या KBC जैसे बैठा हुआ है? ये रोहित
ये
नहीं
रोहित
है.
नहीं है. ये या तो
Option.
सहबा है या तो ख्याति है. And my
क्यों?
vote goes to ख्याति.
क्यों?
I don't like sad movies.
There's
Yeah,
no dandiya in this movie though.
Because
exactly.
चोर
No
की दाढ़ी
dandiya.
में तिनका.
ओ चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका.
जैसे ही मैंने बोला ख्याति, I don't like sad movies. ना
But वो उसकी strategy भी हो सकती है.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये वही है, ख्याति का ये.
Uday,
And you know why? Because I have a feeling that Ringa Dinga 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 is kind of Khyati's groove. Ringa Dinga.
Music on the music.
Uday, इसमें क्या रहमान का म्यूजिक है? I'm Himesh Reshammiya fan.
I don't care. I'm telling you.
But
this.
ये movie की बात हो रही है
Now,
भाई.
the
Movie
more
is
you're
very
hard
heavy
selling
movie.
me on this car, the more I'm doubling down.
But that's a
Rohit,
job.
what do you think? Rohit, किसका है ये गाना? ये intro?
I again think it's Isha.
ईशा
मेरे को लगता है इसका ना गैलरी व्यू नहीं है, इसका गैलरी, इसका स्पीकर व्यू है, इसका खाली ईशा पे व्यू है.
नहीं यार, वो
Why you think it's
सबसे कम उसका नजरें घूम रही है.
जो
What
comments आ रहे हैं,
other-
देखिए, जो
Oh my
comments आ
God,
रहे हैं,
नजरों पे नजर लग रहा है.
बस देखना पड़ता है यार, किसका
my
किधर
God.
नजर
मैं
है, बॉडी
मैं-
लैंग्वेज.
मैं अपना चश्मा उतार रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
मैं अपना चश्मा उतार रहा हूँ क्योंकि तुम लोग को क्लियरली दिख रहा है.
ए बस यार, तुम देख नहीं पा रहे यार. मैं
Dilation कितने सेंटीमीटर हुआ by the way?
मैं
I mean,
देखिए,
I-
जो
आंखों की
जो
बात कर रही है, राइट? ख्याति तू आंखों की बात कर रही है ना?
हाँ.
Dilation,
वैसे ख्याति भी हो सकती है, क्योंकि उसने कुछ ज्यादा ही
Okay,
मिलॉर्ड
बोल
का
दो.
आंसर दिया.
I think it's
हाँ.
Seba
लेकिन
for some reason.
ख्याति और बता तुझे ये पिक्चर क्यों पसंद नहीं?
क्योंकि फूल गरबा ही नहीं है, गरबा होना चाहिए ना है।
क्या बात कर रही है? तो था तो सही।
कुछ तो हो
हाँ तो सही, गरबा was there in that movie. What are you saying? Garba was there?
Yeah, this is the problem of having all the RJs. They won't let you run the show only, man.
Sorry.
Uday, we got your vote. Kathy, we got that it's not you maybe, but your vote is to
ईशा।
Seb. Isha. All right. Isha, ये बैठी हुई है एकदम. Isha is the only one who's playing intelligently, and
There's a
I'm getting
total
very
poker
Gaurav
face right now.
vibes I'm getting from you. The winner of last episode, for anyone who's wondering. Isha, finally bata.
I think it's Seba.
अटकी हुई है वो सैबा पे. Okay. सैबा, तेरे को क्या लगता है किसका आंसर है?
Dude, this is damn confusing. This is a movie that
Seriously?
is everybody's favorite. So at this point,
मेरा नहीं है.
choose it. हाँ, तेरा नहीं है.
I
तेरा
don't
South
तू
Indian
इतना
होगा.
बोल रहा है कि तेरा नहीं है, you never know, क्योंकि तेरा अब तक कुछ प्ले भी नहीं हुआ है. ये बहुत जोर से बोल रहा है, मेरा
It
नहीं है,
could
मेरा
be,
नहीं है, मेरा
it
नहीं
could
है.
be, it could be
Rohit
to
के
trick us, guys. It could be because she chose Rohit first. She would choose him again to trick us because we'll obviously think it's not going to be Rohit. And Rohit is again setting very poker face. So I
Ira
think
is
I'll say
saying
Rohit.
it's Rohit, by the way. If you care about Ira's opinion,
I'm saying
Ira
Rohit.
is joining us on
I'm
chat.
saying-
ए बाहर का
Influence
लोगों का तो
anybody,
opinion क्यों
Swati.
दे रही है अभी?
Yeah, don't give
ये
any
डर रहा है.
names.
ये डर रहा है. तू रोहित का नाम ले. तू डर
Actually,
मत.
listen,
I
नहीं,
think Rohit.
but this is influencing.
Yeah, I
मतलब-
agree.
but I'm reading out
Good
all the
work for me.
Influence का ही तो है.
सारे कमेंट्स, क्योंकि एक और किसी ने बोला कि ईशा का है, कोई कह रहा है रोहित का है, तो इक्वल वो है. बट इफ यू माइंड, आई वोंट से, बट देन आई एम ट्राइंग टू सी कि
नहीं,
व्हाट
तू
डू
बोल.
पीपल थिंक.
तू बोल ना, कंफ्यूज करना लोगों को. क्या कर रही है तू? तेरा काम है
Actually.
कंफ्यूज करना.
ओके सहबा वोट कर यार, फाइनल वोट बता.
मैंने बोला ना रोहित का. एक बात बता,
रोहित.
लास्ट टाइम किसका बैंड बजा था? गौरव वन, पर बैंड किसका बजता है? तू वो बजा पहले, बता.
बाकी जो लोग पकड़ नहीं पाए उन सबका
मैं
बैठ.
कंफ्यूज हूँ. हाँ, अच्छा, जो
बाकी सब.
जो
हम 4 लोग
तो
साथ में
winner,
होंगे, डोंट
हम
वरी.
सब साथ में. ओके,
हाँ.
रोहित.
Rohit, who do you think?
उदय. I changed
You
my
know-
answer.
You change your answer. Okay. सबका वोटिंग हो गया? Everybody is done? तो ख्याति को लगता है कि ये ईशा का गाना है, ईशा का चॉइस है. ईशा को लगता है सहबा का चॉइस है. रोहित को लगता है कि ये उदय का चॉइस है. उदय को लगता है कि ये ख्याति का चॉइस है. और जो है यहाँ पर ब्लॉक मास्टर, जिसने आप सबको, मतलब कुछ लोगों को चकमा दिया है, इज सहबा.
Aisha.
Ladies and gentlemen, I knew
I'm
it.
learning.
Oh my God.
Who
But
won?
Isha got the point. Because
Isha got the point.
guessed.
I was
Yes.
like, Seba got the point. If I
No, but you changed it. You changed
No,
it, right?
no. She always said.
She
She
did.
always said.
I know
No,
she
she always
Sat
said.
there and she's like,
Mwah, Isha, mwah, you're the only one who knows me. Kathy, very bad.
Very bad.
क्या? Shit, I shouldn't have chosen you. It was between you two. कोई बात नहीं. But no.
and
Isha,
Uday was so convinced it is Khyati. So anyway,
Yeah.
for people who are watching the show, उनको याद दिला दे कि एक अल्ताफ राजा का गाना तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी is also going to be quizzed at the end of the show. You have to guess कि वो किसका गाना है. Please अपने comments में हमें बताइए कि who amongst these people would pick Altaf Raja song. Judge them
किसको
as
अल्ताफ
much
पसंद
as
And you
you
है?
said
like.
Rohit and Uday are going to sing it for us,
पहले
right, at the end? They'll sing it
हाँ,
for us at
last
the
में,
end.
oh yeah, last में Uday and Rohit are going to sing Altaf Raja song, and then we will.
I think
Karma
whoever
on it.
Do it.
And I'll do
other
karma on it.
viewers should be like,
I'll do karma.
No. Get the two stones, okay? You got to get the two stones. वो
Yeah,
train
that
में होता
too.
है.
Do send us your entries कि आपको क्या लगता है कि अल्ताफ राजा का गाना कौन है. Please उसे tag करो सही से. Deepti Shah, I don't know who is Deepti Shah, but Deepti Shah is saying कि अल्ताफ राजा choice has to be Uday's. I hope Deepti, that's what you're asking. So
Right
Deepti,
on.
so people please tag us so we know which question you are answering for, because you are all answering for a lot of things and it's a lot of fun. So please stay with
Swati,
us.
please also remind people that they can get in touch with you to do the next shows.
Yes, very
ये
very
बोली
very
marketing
important.
वाली. बजाओ ताली.
If you guys want to have the same fun with your friends on the show, don't forget to write to me, swati@radiozindagi.com, or contact sfo@radiozindagi.com. With that, we move to the next question. Filal, Uday is at 1 point, Isha is at 1 point, everybody else is at 0 point. And the next question was, what is your favorite item that you've bought this year? Okay, there were lots of answers. Some of them I can't even say on radio, but the answer that so there were books, there were plants, there were t-shirts,
Degree.
there were a lot of things. Yeah, Lingri
Lingri.
also made
Ling 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 ling.
ling. But what I picked for you is mirror. Is a mirror. This person bought a mirror.
I know
So
who this is.
person, you know who this is?
Kathy. This is Kathy.
क्या थी?
क्यों?
क्योंकि तेरे इंस्टाग्राम में
मुझे
100
लगता
मिरर
है।
है।
मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में बेटा तूने ईशा की इंस्टा स्टोरीज देखी है?
मेरा मिरर मैं क्यों खरीदूंगी?
Do you see in the background? Do you see in the background?
The one.
This is very
यार,
Every
ईशा को तो
Insta
mirror
story,
दिख रहा है यार।
every Facebook
अच्छा, so it's a
post.
simple mirror. It's just a mirror.
It just says mirror.
Mirror.
I
अच्छा.
think Khyati, definitely Khyati.
I
But
think it's
ईशा
Isha.
तेरे
Definitely
पीछे
Isha. She's
तेरे पीछे
even
एक mirror है.
she's mirror है.
Can we know what is
Proud
the
में
size of the mirror? Can we know what is the size of the mirror? If it's a chota pocket mirror, it could be the boys also.
I don't think
ये
so.
क्या
My-
Or maybe
Back pocket में
maybe
एक में mirror.
I highly doubt about
ये-
boys.
लड़कों ने
वो-
जानबूझ के
ये वो
ये
पगड़ी में
भेजा है
लगने
ताकि
वाला
वो
mirror है।
कंफ्यूज कर सके.
नहीं. See,
Guardian है।
I think it can be Uday because mirror self-obsession, right? And we all know.
Come.
Yes.
Or it can be Rohit also because he is almost like a public figure in Bay Area, so he has to, there are so many girls and so
अरे
many
भाई, ये क्या है?
audience. He has to dress up.
भाई तो थोड़ा अपना कैमरा ये बाजू करना है, पीछे मिरर दिख रहा था, घुमाओ कैमरा.
It
नहीं
can
यार,
be
मेरे-
Seba also. It can be Seba also.
Okay, it can be
I
a lot
just
of
went
people.
last
but
round. She won't pick me again.
Here,
I think
no,
it's
I can
Seba.
do that. There is no such thing कि इसको नहीं पकड़ूंगी उसको. बस अपनी strategy लगा सकते हो. But ये जो आंसर है वो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि लड़कों ने जानबूझ के ताकि लड़कियां एक दूसरे पे पॉइंट करें, ये भी कर सकते हैं, right? There are different things at play here.
Can I pick?
Yes.
I think it's Isha because she's sitting in front of the mirror and she would not do that normally.
You've seen
But
this
considering, no,
times.
I didn't see it last year.
You did. You asked me where is it from.
But Abhi, let's not go into all the details.
I told you this is from that place.
But I feel
Okay,
like you're sitting
okay.
in front of the mirror, it would be really obvious, so you could be
You told
tricking
her it
people.
is from that
I
place.
also think it's Isha.
No, she said it is from
Come to you
that
guys.
place,
Abhi,
which is so
yeah.
specific.
I can't tell the place. No, it's a big, huge brand. I don't want to like just
अरे
endorse.
मैकडोनल्ड से
फ्री
लिया
में नहीं
है।
endorse करते हैं हम, फ्री में नहीं endorse करते हैं हम, रेडियो
We
जिंदगी
go to
अगर
the
आपको
sponsorship
endorsement
and
करना
we
है,
get sponsorship from them.
Exactly.
So Seba says Isha. क्या थी?
But wait, I'm not done yet. But
पर
I'll...
पीछे रखा है यार मिरर.
वो तो
Okay,
इसके
okay,
पीछे भी
क्या-
रखा है, रोज के पीछे, रोज के बाजू में रखा है.
रोहित ये मिरर है.
okay, calm
और क्या
down
है वो?
everybody,
उसका
calm
फोटो
down.
लगा है.
Hey, can I Google some?
क्या
Can
बात कर
I
रही है
text
तू? आंखें
somebody
की
for an
पलक.
answer?
Okay, Ira is saying कितनी आग लगाती है स्वाति. मैंने तो अभी आग लगाना शुरू भी नहीं किया है.
Don't give any answers from outside yet.
Yeah, I'm only okay. I'll just
But if
share
they're right,
with-
then you have to pick it.
अच्छा Seba go.
Go. No, let Rohit go.
हाँ, रोहित go. रोहित बहुत चुप बैठा है.
यार कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है
फिर
यार.
चुप बैठा तो
सब
इसी
लोग
का होगा.
एक्टर सॉलिड है एकदम.
That's what the game is about. I think हमने नाम
I
में ना
know.
कुछ मतलब ब्लॉकमास्टर कुछ ऐसा नाम
रोहित
रखा
वो कंफ्यूज हो
सही
रहा है
में.
और वो कर रहा है.
है. Okay, all right.
I'm trying to
Ah.
think when Isha bought the mirror.
Change the name of the show. तू झूठा ही सही.
अभी listen.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैं
Can I
झूठ नहीं
phone a
बोलता.
friend? Can I phone a friend?
Listen, put yourself on mute and do whatever you like, and then we will come back to you.
What? किसने
so-
मिरर लिया?
Listen, KBB और KBC में एक ही फर्क है, वहां पे तुक्का नहीं लगता है, यहाँ पर तुक्का चल जाएगा. So please give me your answers. रोहित.
यार मेरे ऑप्शंस क्या हैं?
हम लोग हैं ऑप्शन और क्या
नहीं
है?
यार,
Option A, उदय, सैबा,
मेरा
ख्याति, ईशा.
स्वाति.
Swati is not the option in this.
उदय
स्वाति is
हम
not.
मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम गलत निकला नहीं, सेकंड टाइम. आई थिंक आई विल पिक उदय.
उदय क्यों मिरर दिखाएगा? तुझे लगता है वो सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड है, जैसा कि
अरे
ख्याति
वो
ने कहा?
जानबूझ के इधर 3 लड़कियां हैं इसलिए उसने मिरर पिक किया रहेगा.
I think that is a good like thinking, but तुम अपने आंसर पे मतलब I'll come back to you. ख्याति, तुझे लगता है ईशा, right? You want to change your answer? Isha, what do you think? I don't think we spoke about you.
I think it's Rohit.
Just rate तो चुपचाप बैठा है.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or
Okay.
मैं गलत एंगल में बैठा हूँ यार.
I don't know. I think it could be Rohit. I don't know.
Okay, Seba, what's your final
मुझे भी
answer?
मिरर
Final.
दिख रहा है रोहित के साइड में, लेकिन I don't know. I would have thought Isha because she's making it very obvious, and that would be a very tricky thing. But oh damn, Kathy. But Kathy won't pick mirror because I know she's done a lot to her house, so she'll pick something more interesting than just a mirror. Uday would pick a mirror to trick people.
Yeah, that's
And even
that.
I'm thinking Uday,
He's not
but
Rohit.
it could be Rohit also. It's a boy for sure.
All right, okay.
Dude,
Final
I'll say
answer,
Uday.
so we
बड़ा
don't.
tough है यार boys.
अरे
I'll say
मतलब-
Uday.
Correct.
Although I think it's Rohit, but I'll say Uday.
वो भी correct.
Wow. Okay. सहबा को लगता है उदय तरफ सहबा तरफ फाइनल है. सहबा को लगता है उदय. उदय को लगता है it is Rohit.
No. I'm not even given my vote.
Okay, what's your vote?
Isha.
Okay. Uday thinks it's Isha.
This is true
Isha
now.
thinks it is Rohit. Rohit thinks it is
Me.
Uday.
Uday. And
Khyati
Khyati,
thinks
you
it's
think?
Isha.
Isha. Okay, everybody ready?
And I think it's Rohit.
You,
Yeah, yeah.
I said that already.
Oh no, I want to change now.
बताओ जल्दी से.
ये कायका कितना चेंज कर रही है?
My
जो
feeling
प्लेयर
is
नहीं है बोलेगी
Uday.
नेक्स्ट ईयर से ईरा. I think it's Ira.
Tell.
Okay, forget.
Quickly,
I'm not
quickly,
changing.
tell.
I'm not changing. I'm not looking
Okay.
at anybody.
Uday, Seva, you could be right. I'm not
बोलो
sure.
answer.
Change ना. सेबा चेंज कर ले यार. Please.
Change. Now we dare you. Change करके दिखा तू.
हमारी
Change.
मांगे पूरी करो.
Shut up. Okay,
Uday.
यार और तुम्हारे सारे
I will
जो
stick
votes
by
हैं,
what I stand for. Uday.
because he's trying so hard. But
एक बार
anyway,
ले
the
लिया तो ले
person
लिया.
who bluffed you all
I think it's
and took away this point is यार sound effects नहीं है. Jing 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 jing.
एक तो हम lose कर रहे हो. ऊपर से देखो sound effect चाहिए उसके लिए.
Khyati has got you guys.
I
Khyati voted
said Khyati
Wow.
first.
God.
I said Khyati
I get
first.
point,
I
right?
said Khyati first.
Everybody
You get a
said
point.
wrong.
Hey,
So I get a
But I
point.
got it Khyati. But I got
Seb,
it. Then I got
ख्याति तो
two.
सब लोग ने बोला.
Feeling
In one way or the other. ख्याति हो सकती है, ख्याति नहीं.
इसने क्वेश्चन खत्म भी नहीं किया तो मैंने
Instagram
स्वाद ख्याति बोला था.
जिस रेट से सहबा जिस कॉन्फिडेंस से आई और उसके बाद ख्याति ने तुझे ऐसा घुमाया कि तू
है ना?
घूम गई. So well played. Let's go to
मैं तेरे
comments.
लिए डांडिया लाई थी अभी तेरे को नहीं देने वाली हूँ मैं.
Alright, तो मैं
इसके
लिसनर्स
अंदर
को
डांडिया
याद दिला दूं. मैं लिसनर्स को याद दिला दूं कि हम लास्ट में आपसे ये भी आपको अगर पता चल रहा है कि who would pick a अल्ताफ राजा song तुमसे तेरे परदेसी, who out of these 5 people would pick that track? Do write to us and we will see कि अगर आपका आंसर सही है कि नहीं. और आप अगर हमारे शो पर ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं आप भी हमें लिख कर सकते हैं. नहीं you can write to us at radiozindagi.com or you can write to me swati@radiozindagi.com. Moving on, जो अगला क्वेश्चन था.
Oh my God,
आपकी-
it's studying. इतने सारे calls आ रहे हैं.
इतने सारे
हाँ?
कॉल आ रहे हैं. यस, बाय द वे अभी सभी के पास एक पॉइंट्स है सहबा और रोहित को छोड़ के. जो अगला क्वेश्चन है वो बुक्स के ऊपर
We're the
है
winners.
और
हाँ.
आप सबसे पूछे मैंने कि आपके ऑल टाइम फेवरेट बुक्स कौन सी हैं या फिर टॉप 3 बुक्स कौन सी हैं. आई गॉट गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स, नागा सीरीज, अमर चित्रकथा, रोमियो जूलियट, 5 Point
Twinkle.
Someone, God of All Things, but what I picked is Think Like a Monk.
ये किसने लिखा है?
आयशा
ये
पर
वही पता करना है कि ये किसने लिखा है. Think Like a Monk.
तो
So
उसकी
someone
author-
who reads a lot.
Who-
ये मुझे नहीं पता है कि who's
Anybody
it?
knows
By
the
the way,
author?
तुझे लगता है वो बताएगा अभी? पता नहीं चल जाएगा उसकी किताब है.
नहीं तू बता.
Nice try, but nice try.
Think like a monk.
Think
ये
Like
तो
a
उदय
Monk.
ही
By
है.
the way,
ये-
बहुत
ये-
सारे
अरे यार
लोग
मेरा
पता है-
आंसर
ये तो उदय है.
Sorry.
इतना think like the monk पूछ रहा है.
ये monk
उदय ही है.
monk who sold his Ferrari का part 2 है क्या?
अबे मेरा
Guys,
आंसर
give
तो
a
वो
clue,
था
man. I
यार,
haven't got
अमर
even one
चित्रकथा एंड टिंकल.
वो सही था. वो मैं
Not audible.
I would highly
Best books.
endorse that. I endorse it. Champak also, dude. Come on.
अरे
वैसे
डूड
there were a
चाचा
lot of
चौधरी.
people. At least
Think
3
Like a
of you
Monk.
wrote The Kite
Jai Shetty.
Runner. I love the book. But then because so many people answered that, I couldn't have taken
The
it.
Kite Runner.
So
ये
The
किसने
Kite Runner. Salman Rushdie. There are a lot of Rushdie fans here.
लिखा?
No,
Raise your hand.
not Salman Rushdie, dude.
Who's it?
No,
what's his
Khalid.
name?
Sorry.
Khalid
Halle
Hussain.
Berry. Halle Berry का मैं कुछ भी पढ़ेगा.
He's from Fremont.
Yeah,
Is
it's from
he?
Fremont. The
Is he
story is
watching a
from
store?
इतना
that
अच्छा
would
बुक
be-
लिखे के बाद फ्रीमोंट बैठ गया हो.
Okay,
अच्छा,
okay.
चलो.
Think Like a Monk is हाँ किसका आंसर है ये? किसी
It's
को
by
बस
Jai
किताब के
Shetty.
बारे में नहीं पता है.
I googled it.
Okay.
ये
Somebody give
हाँ,
it.
हाँ,
I
क्या
watched
आंसर
it.
लिखा
लिखा है वो नहीं है. किसने बोला है कि ये बुक है? I googled it.
अरे पता होना चाहिए कौन सी बुक है.
अच्छा किसकी बुक है ये? ख्याति
जय
तुझे
शेट्टी.
Google कर-
Khyati,
Jai
किसकी
Shetty.
है?
कौन?
जय शेट्टी.
Jay
जय
Shetty.
शेट्टी.
I will go
जय
with
शेट्टी.
Uday again. कुछ ज्यादा ही questionable face लगा
नहीं,
रहा है.
how about
सही
ये
में.
ख्याति? Google कर लिया है?
अभी तो तूने उसका मिरर डाला था.
तू दिखा,
जय
फोन दिखा
शेट्टी.
ना.
अरे वो रिपीट
फोन
मार
दिखा ना.
सकती हो.
फोन दिखा, prove her wrong. फोन दिखा, prove her wrong. अभी टाइप
By
मत
the way,
कर.
Vedika is also saying she has read the book and it is by Jay Shetty.
हाँ, correct.
और
Very good.
listeners, you want to guess कि किसका आंसर है, हम वो भी शायद
Think like a
बताएंगे
monk.
in the end.
I think it's
Think like a monk.
not fast Google करके और like I couldn't even recall the name and she already Googled it.
But it could also be a person who's all
Or
monk-like today.
not. Or not.
Or not. Let's say
कोई
Rohit
जादू
is
नहीं
behaving
है.
like a monk.
It is probably a person who is
जादू नहीं है यहाँ
completely the
पे.
opposite but is wanting to be like a monk.
Yeah, wanting to be a monk. Very nice. I like ये जो psychology, reverse psychology, सब चल
मुझे
रहा
तो
है यहाँ
लगता है
पे.
ये बुक मंक के
Love
बारे
it.
में है ही नहीं.
Also Uday.
फिर उदय क्या के
मुझे
बारे में
लगता है ये
बता
कोई
बता.
भिखारी है जो बोल
उदय
रहा है
क्या
कि
के
मैं
बारे में
भिखारी हूँ तो I don't think like I'm a monk.
What
What
is
is
the
the
book
book
about?
about?
Seba is asking.
Uday, what is the book about, dude?
It's
क्या
about timeless
What's
wisdom.
it about?
Huh?
What's it about?
It's about
Khyati, are you trying to get
If it's
attention?
about timeless wisdom, I'm definitely not ready.
Khyati,
So
but
it's
it's
a
about
comic.
time. ये Khyati is not even trying to hide.
It's
It's Khyati, think like a monk. तूने Google किया? Is it? It's not philosophy or anything. What is it? It's
not
What genre is
not
it?
philosophy. थोड़ा तो clue होना चाहिए ना.
inspirational है थोड़ा सा और
Motivational.
motivational.
Okay, let's move it.
यार
Yeah,
हाँ,
okay.
let's vote.
I'll vote.
Yeah,
I'll vote.
Uday.
Seba.
हाँ, कौन?
Seba.
Because she's all chatty.
No, I'm just saying it's Seba. She's trying to act like she doesn't know what the book is. What is it about?
Okay,
क्या है?
okay.
किसने
Listen,
पढ़ा है?
Sampath Sagar also thinks like Uday. Sampath Sagar is also saying कि
और-
think like a monk में Seba bluff मारी है.
और
Who's
तेरे को एक और
Sampath
चीज
Sagar?
बताऊं?
Who is
संपत
Sampath
ने
Sagar?
बोल दिया तो
I
है
don't
यार.
know.
मैं तेरे को
Sampath, thank
बता
you,
संपत सागर बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है. मैं तेरे पे विश्वास रखता हूँ. और ये जो रेडियो जिंदगी का उसने जो बैकग्राउंड डाला है इसलिए डाला क्योंकि पीछे ही वो बुक है मंक हू सोल्ड फरारी थिंक लाइक ए मंक. वो सब पीछे ही है.
Such imaginations.
तू बंद करके दिखा मेरे को.
Such wild
Okay,
imaginations. but-
moving on. Rohit.
यार I'm thinking between Seba and Isha.
What? Why does he?
अरे तेरा अब तक नाम नहीं आया यार.
सब में तो
बहुत हाई
इसमें सिंपल
चांसेस है.
लॉजिक लगा है कि तेरा नाम अब तक नहीं आया. ऐसे तो हो नहीं सकता किसी
It's
का.
such a
By the way,
compliment to
उदय
you.
का
You're
नाम भी नहीं
thinking
आया.
like a monk.
इसका नहीं
उदय
है.
का भी नाम नहीं आया.
Khyati.
मैंने तो उदय का ही नाम लिया है.
उदय
मैं तो
monk
उदय
लग-
Google करके and
उदय
she-
के लिए चाचा चौधरी आता तो मैं बोल देता यार. अभी
and in
ताबू.
Okay.
ताबू.
He's
Okay,
Chacha Chaudhary.
रोहित तुम सोचो. I'll come back to you.
हाँ,
सेबा थिंक्स इट्स उदय. उदय तूने वोट दिया, तूने बोला सेबा, तो तुम दोनों एक दूसरे को बोल रहे
मेरे को
हो.
एक पॉइंट तो एटलीस्ट कोई दो यार.
दे देते हैं तेरे को, बस ऐसे दे देते हैं. ख्याति, whose
उदय.
book is this? Though you knew a lot about the book, but can you vote whose book this is?
if I have to bluff, I'll say Isha.
So to
Why
bluff
do you
me?
You
think if
mean-
I have to bluff?
know-
हाँ
I'll say
ये
Isha?
ब्लफ का क्या फंड है यार.
मतलब इसका बुक है.
Oh, you mean if somebody had to bluff about it? If she had to bluff about what
ओ
she
अच्छा
likes.
वैसे अरे
हाँ.
मतलब
ना
क्या
strategy.
डीप थॉट है. छोड़.
हाँ
ये
यार.
थिंक लाइक
हाँ,
मंक
ख्याति
के
क्या
पास
लगता है?
काम
Who's it?
करने
Timeless
लायक
wisdom
नहीं
इसी के
रहेगी.
पास है.
हाँ. Seba's also
ख्याति, ईशा?
Isha.
ईशा, how about you?
I think it's Khyati, but my inclination is towards Seba also. Because she
I'm very impressed. People think I will read a book like Think Like a Monk. मतलब आपने मुझे इतनी इज्जत दी. Thank you.
I think
Nice.
it's Seba.
तेरी
Seba
अंग्रेजी अच्छी है. तेरी अंग्रेजी अच्छी
सेबा
है.
की अंग्रेजी अच्छी है, वो डीप है, वो ऊपर ऊपर से ऐसे, मतलब हम जज कुछ भी कह सकते हैं ना अभी. हाँ, वो ऊपर से ऐसे all bubble of energy, but under
अच्छा,
she's all
Isha
calm.
Dubey, where are you from originally in India?
Indore. I'll answer all the questions for everybody.
नहीं पड़ेगी.
I
अच्छा,
think
अबे,
उसका favorite
ये क्या
गाना
फंड
ही
है?
I know.
मैं
I think I want to change my answer.
You should have
अच्छा,
said
move
no.
on, move on.
You should have said I'm from Bengal. Now I would have said Isha.
Did you just judge her based on where she is? That's what the show is all about. You can judge people however, in whichever way you like, but it's only allowed on this platform, on this show only. Don't do that outside of this for your own good.
45
Isha,
minutes.
Seba?
Seba.
Okay, Seba.
I
All
want
right,
my
Rohit.
answer. I want to
हाँ.
change. I think it's Rohit.
You think it's Rohit? Whoa.
यार मेरा स्टैंडर्ड बढ़ गया यार. थैंक यू.
रोहित, तुम्हें क्या लगता है किसका है? By the way, 45 minutes हो गए शो के, तो let's
हाँ
chop
यार मुझे लगता है ईशा. लॉक किया जाए.
ईशा. ओके, लॉक किया जाए ईशा. उदय तेरे को लगता है सेबा, सेबा को लगता है उदय, ख्याति को लगता है
Rohit.
रोहित, और ईशा को लगता है सेबा, राइट? ओके, एवरीबडी फाइनल आंसर्स. The
Yes.
person who walks away with this point is Rohit.
All right.
क्या बोला था
का
रोहित
गाना
ने?
एक तो
ईशा
पॉइंट
का
मिला
book था।
यार.
ईशा I hate you.
Thanks,
But
ईशा.
I was thinking कि ईशा ही है जो ऐसे थोड़े भारी किताब पढ़ेगी. I would, if I was playing, I would pick ईशा.
Very much.
हाँ यार,
She
बेकार में
talks
तूने
about
उसका
the
इंदौर
books
को
she
ऐसा.
reads, but she's never said Jay Shetty or whatever. But yeah, but then
But
I
a
think
lot has happened.
They
Yeah.
do.
मांग ब्राह्मण ऐसे लोग के बारे में बात किया कभी?
यार ये शो में इतना
Okay.
दिमाग लगा है, कल कोई काम नहीं करने वाला, सारा दिमाग इधर ही लग गया है.
Yeah,
People,
we'll
please,
let
you're taking
Neeraj
छुट्टी
ji know.
tomorrow.
Yes, we'll let Neeraj ji know.
Yeah.
Okay, last
Moving on.
question है before that Altaf Raja question, जहाँ पर आपको बताना है कि
Altaf
इन
Raja
पांचों में से किसने दिया है. Because nobody has guessed so far. People who are listening to us, people who are watching us on Facebook, if you had to guess out of these 5 people, who would pick Altaf Raja's Tum to Tere Pardesi? Let us know in the comment section. But coming back to the show, the next question was, if you could be any animal, who would you be? What animal would you be? The answers that I got were brown bat, so I could sleep for 20 hours, lion because it's majestic and not afraid to roar. There were dogs for loyalty and dogs are just the best, etc., etc. There are 2 other entries, but the ones that I picked today was, I would like to be a polar bear so I can hibernate. So who is this lazy person who wants to be a polar
Most
bear?
lazy person.
Okay, इस time no tutu meme, no nok joke. We'll get straight to the voting, and I will start with Khyati. Khyati,
I think it's Rohit.
you think it's Rohit? Why? Because he's lazy?
No,
हाँ
he's,
यार, साला मेरे को lazy बना दिया.
he's active a lot. I think he needs to hibernate. So I think, yeah, he's
Oh,
biking
so-
and hiking and I don't know what not he's doing. So
ये वोटिंग के साथ तुम्हें नसीहत भी दे रही है कि तुम्हें थोड़ा आराम करना चाहिए, चिल करना चाहिए.
हाँ.
सेबा,
अभी तो मेरी वाट लगी, एक पॉइंट भी नहीं है, बहुत सोचना पड़ेगा. Kathy is a new mom. She would love to hibernate right now.
okay, so you think it's
But
Isha.
Uday hasn't. We haven't done Uday yet, no?
No one has taken his name yet.
No. As in,
I haven't
Swati
picked his
hasn't picked him. But that could be a trick also, Swati. किसी का कुछ बोल नहीं सकते यहाँ पे.
कुछ किसी का नहीं बोल सकते, सब एक नंबर के चोर है शो पर.
सब
सब झूठे.
आगे बढ़ो, मैं थोड़ा सोच रही हूँ, ट्रेन को आगे बढ़ाओ.
Okay, बताओ. रोहित का सुन लिया क्या मैंने?
I am
नहीं, रोहित.
thinking between
If you say Isha,
Isha and नहीं, क्योंकि यार दोनों शांत बैठे हैं यार एकदम.
मैं पूरे उसमें शांत हूँ.
उदय and नहीं, I am also going with Seba. मैं थोड़ा एक टाइम मांगता है. ये उदय की नजरों में
I would never hibernate.
छुपा हुआ.
I would.
नहीं, he's saying he will go with Seba, मतलब मुझे भी थोड़ा टाइम दे दो अभी सोचने के लिए.
या अभी ये लास्ट
उदय,
राउंड है ना.
नहीं.
हाँ,
ये last
लास्ट
है
राउंड
ना?
है अल्ताफ राजा से पहले. हाँ,
एक
उदय
point तो
जल्दी
लेना
बता.
है.
Are you asking for time? या कुछ और इशारे कर रहा है जो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. They'll work later.
I
Like
would
not
rather
on the
guess
show.
Altaf Raja.
Okay, जब तक तुम
Wait,
सोच रहे हो
sorry,
बता दो.
I'm thinking, but you had said what did you say? Brown bat was what? What was the reason for brown bat?
For sleeping long.
But that's not the question, na? Question. is
He's
the
just
polar bear.
he's doing over analysis अभी, and I'm letting him do that. हाँ. एक बिल्ली भी आया था, एक डायनासोर भी था, so that I don't exist. चाहिए तेरे को और आंसर?
I think it's Uday.
I think it's Kathy.
क्या थी?
Seba.
अच्छा, think नहीं, वोट करो.
Seba.
क्योंकि by the way अल्ताफ राजा के लिए एंट्री सब उदय और रोहित पे ही है.
Hey, actually, no. Wait.
When I said Kathy in the last round, why didn't you just register my answer immediately?
Sorry.
Sorry यार, sorry. I will do that next time. हाँ. तो
Hey,
अल्ताफ
polar
राजा
bear?
ने हाँ बोल.
हाँ, ठीक है. Seba. Sorry.
Seba. Okay, Rohit, have you made up your mind?
I think Uday.
1
I
करोड़
hope
के लिए
I'm
जैसे
right.
खेल रहा है.
अरे यार वो चला, ये लोग इतना मस्त एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं. But I think this is
Zoom पे
Uday.
acting is easy. I think this would have been fun if in person होता तो हाथ पाँव भी
In
देख
person तो हाथापाई भी होती. कौन बोला तेरे को? मैं मन करता है क्या कभी? पकाओ साला हट.
अच्छा, तो उदय, रोहित you think it's उदय?
Uday.
Okay. ख्याति को लगता है कि ये रोहित है. ईशा को क्या लगता है? रोहित.
Uday.
ओके. ईशा को लगता है उदय, रोहित को लगता है सहबा.
नहीं
उदय,
नहीं,
sorry,
नहीं,
sorry.
रोहित को उदय, ईशा को उदय, ख्याति को रोहित, उदय को सहबा और सहबा ने बताया।
सहबा का क्या है?
मैंने ख्याति बोला था पर अभी मैं उदय की तरफ मुड़ रही हूँ।
तेरे को पता है तू जो पहला आंसर देती है जनरली, फिर डोंट टेक इट टू
उदय जाए।
मोड़ी
I'm
मोड़ी
coming to you.
कहा मैं मोड़ी मोड़ी इत्तेफाक से मुड़ 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 जोड़ी जोड़ी।
You उदय, you.
Eba, don't
Okay.
change.
I shouldn't change ना।
You
तू
should
मेरी
not.
फ्रेंड है तो बोल, सच्ची बोल। ऐसे इधर इधर विंडो में आके बता।
मैं बोलती हूँ okay.
Don't show off your diamond jewelry just because you want to find some excuse. ये देखो देखो।
Oh,
True,
तूने
true,
तेरी
true.
बीवी के लिए कुछ नहीं खरीदा because this is definitely not
मैंने
diamond.
तो नहीं लिया।
So you don't know what diamond is.
मेरे पास तो नहीं।
Okay, बहुत वैसे यहाँ पे लोग जो कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं उसमें भी लग रहा है कि ईशा भी पोलर बेयर हो सकती है. Just throwing it out there. But last round,
Then you
Last
wouldn't
round.
say it, no Swati.
I would
I would say
It is
anything
not
that
Isha
comes
for
on
sure.
Facebook chat. Whatever comes on Facebook chat, I'm saying.
I want to go
I'm
with Khyati, but तूने उदय को पिक नहीं किया तो उस लॉजिक से उदय.
Okay, last. सबका फाइनल है. खाली सहबा is deciding.
उदय को select नहीं किया क्योंकि उसके
नहीं,
उदय
नहीं.
की आंसर इंटरेस्टिंग
Isha
है.
pick for me ना. Isha you pick for me.
मैं चेंज कर रहा हूँ आंसर.
Khyati ना.
I
ऐसे
am
मत करो यार,
changing to
मुझे बुरा लग
Seba.
रहा है।
सहबा. Okay, रोहित change
मैं
with
अरे
सहबा
किसको
सहबा.
2 पॉइंट, एक मिनट, किसने 2 पॉइंट जीता है अभी? एटलीस्ट
कोई
किसी को नहीं मिला अभी तक
किसी
2
को
पॉइंट.
नहीं है.
एक ना सब.
I'll change to Seba.
ये खेल का सारा जो कांड है ना अल्ताफ राजा खोलेगा।
Exactly.
Yeah, I
Okay,
think so
okay.
too.
Okay, listen. So again, one
I
more
will say
time.
Khyati.
Khyati.
Seba is saying Khyati, Khyati is saying Rohit, Isha is saying Uday, Uday is saying.
No, I'm saying Khyati too.
Oh, you are also saying Khyati. You also change.
But
Hey,
I
everybody
I hope
changing।
it's not Uday.
think
Uday, तू बता.
Confusion.
I said-
उदय तेरा वोट बता. Everybody quiet.
Seba,
Uday.
I don't
Seba.
change। I'm
Seba.
like one
And okay, that's it.
vote, one person, one vote।
Okay, the person who wants to be a polar bear so they can hibernate is Rohit Saini, and the point goes to Khyati.
तुम लोग ने कुछ ऐसे होमवर्क किया है क्या साइड में?
the answers they select किए. This is not fair.
तूने
अरे मैंने
उदय
गलती
को
से इसको
सिलेक्ट
भेज
ही
दिया
नहीं
था
किया.
यार।
उदय
रोहित को देखो क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
Acting की रोहित.
क्योंकि हम लोग बेवकूफ हम बातें करते रहते हैं, वो सबको ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है.
अरे ऑब्जर्व इज वन थिंग, बट देन ये लेवल एक्टिंग की मुझे लगा शायद मैं गलत चुन के बैठी हूँ. तो भला हो मेरे कंप्यूटर का. सॉलिड एक्टिंग. ऑलराइट, ओके. तो अब हम बढ़ते हैं आखिरी क्वेश्चन पे. लेट्स ट्राई टू रैप इट इन 5 मिनट्स. उदय एंड रोहित, तुम्हें गाना है अल्ताफ राजा वाला गाना, सो पीपल कैन गेस हु दिस केम फ्रॉम. 1 2 3 स्टार्ट.
तुम तो
ठहरे परदेसी, साथ क्या निभाओगे?
में नहीं है.
सुबह पहली गाड़ी से
अरे मेरे
It's not
इतने
like-
गाने की बैंड मत बजाओ.
घर को लौट
तुम तो क्या सुबह पहली
ठहरे।
डिचिक
सुबह
Very
पहली
poor attempt by the way.
सुबह पहली गाड़ी से
नाक बंद करके नाक
नाक से हिमेश
नाक बंद करके.
Okay, time's up.
उसका एक और भी अच्छा
Everybody
गाना
knows
है।
this song.
ये उसका एक और भी अच्छा गाना है, ऐसा मत कर यार।
Okay, Altaf
ये
Raja के लिए
किसने pick किया
Vedika is saying it could be between Uday or Rohit.
ये चीज
Kunjan is saying it is Khyati's song. What do you guys think? Quickly, everybody. Isha, who do you think this?
Uday,
This-
definitely Uday. Now, so I'm convinced.
हाँ यार, फाइनली उदय ही है ये.
Because he was like Altaf Raja के और भी गाने हैं.
रम वोडका ठर्रा बियर, ये चीज है जिसकी मजा
Okay,
अगर
by the way,
लेना है, इसकी चुस्की
हाँ?
I had no idea.
with मिथुन चक्रवर्ती and Jackie Shroff. Go Google.
Your knowledge is so
Please.
profound,
Your
dude.
life will be
I'm telling
Seriously
you.
यार.
Okay, Isha,
I
किसका
have so
लगता
much
है?
respect for your.
Uday. Seba?
इतना दिमाग लगा के तो कुछ हुआ नहीं. I'm thinking नहीं दिमाग लगा के.
यार ये क्या टाइप कर रही है यार, ये Reddit blogs पढ़ रही है क्या ये ख्याति?
कौन? क्या
She's
थी?
chatting with somebody to find out what kind
What
of
is
cheating is this?
Khyati doing?
She's
ये
reading
maybe
a
Khyati
Reddit blog. Who would love
Ina
Altaf
mina
Raja
mina
song?
mo.
Sampath Sagar is saying it's Uday's song. Uday,
Uday.
बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि तेरा ही चॉइस ऐसा हो सकता है.
उदय.
हाँ यार.
उदय
I
जाए.
It has to be उदय.
I wish I had chosen that. Now, on second thought, I should have.
If this is Rohit na Swati, you are disqualified from being the host.
You're gone. I'm going to come there.
मतलब ये अकेला जो है जहाँ पे होस्ट को ऐसे धमकियां मिल रही है ऐसे खुले आम.
हाँ यार.
रोहित तेरा क्या तेरे को कौन लगता है?
Ambition wants to know Swati.
उदय. उदय तेरा है बस.
मेरे को ड्रग चाहिए, ड्रग.
मुझे ड्रग दो
Okay, ख्याति, vote.
It's Seba.
वैसे ख्याति is leading the charts. अगर सेबा को ये point नहीं मिलता है,
और कहाँ अल्ताफ राजा, मतलब
I know you really well.
ख्याति,
I know Seba.
ख्याति.
उदय thinks it's ख्याति, और उदय जिस कॉन्फिडेंस से बोल रहा है, मुझे मन कर रहा है कि मैं ही तुझे बिलीव कर लूं. रोहित.
उदय.
ख्याति. सेबा.
मत पूछो मुझे. उदय.
Okay, ईशा.
उदय.
मैंने कितनी बार उदय को पिक किया, तू तो कर ले एक बार यार.
हाँ यार.
आंसर बता दूं? Everybody कोई आंसर दे रहा है यहाँ पर. I am with Seba. If it's Rohit, Swati is dead. संपत सागर is saying कि स्वाति की सब बात लगा देंगे
अगर रोहित है तो तू देख.
Okay, ठीक है. मुझे इतना डर लगा तुम्हारी धमकियों से that ये पॉइंट जाता है जिसका नाम तुम किसी ने नहीं लिया. ईशा का गाना है ये.
ईला.
I officially quit. Good night.
Okay, actually Seba, if you quit, it's okay, but I need आजा वापस आजा. We need to have a tiebreaker because Seba and Khyati, both of them are at 2 points, so we will.
अरे ईशा and Khyati. Seba has done nothing.
हाँ यार.
Seba and Khyati. Very good. Very good.
मतलब ये बताता है कि कुछ अलग सा WhatsApp ग्रुप चल रहा है इन लोगों का.
अबे इनका
अगर
प्राइवेट
चल रहा होता तो
मेरा कुछ नहीं चल रहा है. मैंने तो कुछ
इसीलिए तेरा नाम नहीं आया ईशा.
ईशा, how could you choose this song? This is total.
From Monk to Altaf.
He's from
ईशा
Indore.
ईशा ने शुरू में बोल दिया था सब कुछ है मेरा.
Rahat Indori is from Indore. He is not, but I've heard this song.
But you were trying to fool everybody with that choice. हाँ, okay.
Okay, so now the choice is wait. Now we have to have a tiebreaker between Khyati and Isha, and the way it's going to be is that everybody votes for these two people only, and the person with how do you want to do this? So whoever has least number, basically just how do you want to do this? How do we do the tiebreaker? Actually, दो लोगों में कैसे करेंगे tiebreaker?
Just both of them answer. We don't answer. Just let them answer.
But they will only obviously point fingers to each other, no?
अरे don't do that. No, don't do that.
नहीं, let them get the right answer.
Give them best of three.
Don't give questions which are related to both.
Correct.
Give us questions which are related.
Give them one question. Give them one question that relates to the three of us.
Yeah, उदय का नाम ले ही ले finally.
नहीं actually अभी
बहुत घटिया आंसर है. बहुत घटिया.
उदय का लेगी नहीं वो.
मैं चॉइस कहीं से भी हो सकती है, बट बोर्ड सिर्फ ख्याति और ईशा ही करेंगे. ठीक है?
हाँ, ठीक है.
और हम दोनों के मत देना.
नहीं तो ऑब्वियस
मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ यार. होस्ट में इतने सारे रूल्स है ना. ओके, योर सॉन्ग इज चिन्नम्मा चिलकम्मा चूड़ 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 चिन्नम्मा चिलकम्मा आड़. ये बताना है.
ये कौन सा लैंग्वेज है भाई?
नाइस ट्राई उधर रोहित, बट चिन्नम्मा चिलकम्मा. Actually, I take that back. ये बहुत सारे एंट्रीज है, तो वी आर चेंजिंग द सॉन्ग इटसेल्फ.
मतलब
यार मेरा एक और गाना गया है यार. शिट.
Dude,
ए जिंदगी.
कौन सा?
Butterfly was being pounced upon.
What is A Zindagi?
ए जिंदगी गले लगा ले, हमने भी तेरे हर एक हमको गले से लगा.
एक पॉइंट भी नहीं मिला गले से लगा.
ओके,
ये यार बहुत पुराना पिक्चर का गाना है एक.
अबे क्या बात कर रहे हो?
कौन सी पिक्चर?
सदमा.
But we are not
सदमा का
picking.
गाना है.
बहुत पुराना.
Nobody is picking, only Isha
अपन सब
and
यंग लोग हैं यार. कभी गाना सुना नहीं है.
ख्याति, क्या लगता है?
I'm thinking यार.
रोहित ज्यादा ही बोल रहा है.
हाँ, रोहित ने तो ये गाना गाया भी है फेसबुक पे. झूठ बोलता है.
Okay. Let them focus. ख्याति जल्दी बता. 6 बजने वाले, आधे घंटे का शो था.
Oh my God.
And let Isha go first.
मेरे बच्चे भूखे हैं, जाने दो.
सेबा, ए जिंदगी, सेबा kind of song. सदमा is सेबा kind of.
ये सैड हो गया.
इतनी सैड हो गया मैं.
सेबा को देख के.
I think it's Seba.
Both of you are voting for सेबा.
हाँ.
ये क्या है यार?
तो अगर ये भी सही हो गया तो फिर then I'll have to go for another round. You can't.
That's true.
I think it is Seba. It is
I think
Seba.
it's Rohit.
You think it's Rohit? Any other guesses before I
और बच्चा कौन है? तो बच्चा
I think it's Swati. I think it's
Ira.
I think it's Sampath Sagar.
I think it's Neeraj.
It can be
Next time,
Rohit
next
or
time I have
Sehba.
to think of a better tiebreaker, but for now we'll just stick to this. तो हाँ, तुम्हारे वोट क्या है?
और सहबा, दोनों में से एक है बस.
Okay.
It's not
ये क्या आंसर हुआ यार?
It's Rohit or Sehba.
हाँ मतलब you have to pick one dude.
रोहित.
मैं तो ये
रोहित.
गेम
Yeah.
7 बजे तक
And
खेलूंगा.
then the fact that कि मैंने रोहित के इतने गाने बजा लिए.
रोहित गाओ ना थोड़ा सा.
यार ये गाना मुझे पता नहीं यार, बहुत पुराना गाना लग रहा है.
हाँ ये डेफिनेटली रोहित है.
हम लोग यंग लोग हैं, मीका सिंह वाले लोग.
Okay.
We don't know these songs.
Sehba maybe then. I don't know.
जल्दी.
हाँ जल्दी करो यार.
हाँ यार, हम तो निकल गए हैं.
Sampath Sagar is saying कि Uday, I wish I was in Zoom too. You guys are bonding. I can give you all phone number.
Zoom.
हाँ, Khyati,
हाँ,
Sehba. I'm saying.
मैंने by the way उदय का बिल्कुल पिक नहीं किया था, तो would I not pick him now? Just throwing it out
अरे
there.
वो चिन्नमा किया ना वो.
Chinema Chilkamma was the bomb.
Naughty boy.
Kunal Roy Kapoor's Tabu in Meenakshi, come on.
I love that song.
Or not. Give
With
me
Rahman,
something.
come on.
हाँ ईशा बोल जल्दी बताओ.
Tell me something. Convince me it's not you.
Yeah, you
Why
guys
are
can.
you asking, Isha?
Sehba, if you
Why
help me,
should I help you? You guys have 2 points. I'm not helping anybody here. What the hell?
Why should I help you? मेरे बच्चे भूखे
I'm nice, but
हैं. मेरे
not
को
that
एक
nice.
गोली राइस नहीं मिलने वाला है.
Exactly. ना मुझे वो मिलेगा, कौन सा था? टी बोबा.
ए, सेवन ना तेरे टी मिलेगा, ना तेरे राइस मिलेगा, तेरे बच्चे खाएंगे क्या अभी? भूख मिलेगी हमको नहीं?
वोट
Okay,
ख्याति
okay.
फोकस करिए. ख्याति के पास 2 पॉइंट है, ईशा के पास 2 पॉइंट्स है. जल्दी
Hey,
बताओ.
don't rub it in, huh? We know.
I think it's Rohit.
I think it's Rohit.
You both
Wow.
think it's Rohit?
I can't hear
This is
you.
a phenomenal tiebreaker.
ये
Tell
बहुत
me
लंबा
about it.
चलेगा.
Yeah, I know.
Play
Rohit.
another song.
You can't vote for the same person.
अरे, then how?
Oh
will-
good.
That's a
You
good idea.
both cannot have the. मतलब या तो तुम दोनों चेंज कर लो या तो तुम दोनों वो कर लो. Obviously, I didn't put thought into
Just give us
tiebreaker.
points, yeah, 2-2 पे रखना उसमें क्या we both can win.
हाँ, we both are winner. It's okay.
Or just let him text you on the side.
ए जिंदगी गाया किसने वैसे?
I think it is
तुम्हें रोहित.
Yesudas.
अच्छा यार.
Maybe not. Maybe
यार किसी को
SC.
बोबा टी तो मिल नहीं रहा. How does it matter? 2 point. दोनों को
Okay,
दे दो.
all right.
हाँ,
So last में Isha, tell final. Rohit, Khyati,
Rohit.
Okay. तो तुम दोनों ही 2 पॉइंट पर रुकोगी because
क्योंकि ये गाना
उदय
सुरेश
का गाना.
वाडकर ने गाया है from Sadma.
Is it Uday?
He's walking
It was
walking
Uday.
along the coast with Sridevi.
अरे यार.
It was Uday.
What is this?
It
Yeah?
was Uday, and then
You have
Sampath
to
Sagar
put
is saying
Uday na.
this is
Uday was
super
not
over. Super over. इसमें
अगर ये
अगर
मेरे
dance
को आया होता ना, अगर तुमने मुझे चांस दिया होता तो मैं पक्का जीती होती थी ये वाला.
Oh,
You know, I
तुमको
was-
और chances दिए थे.
You know that was a
Anyway.
great. Who asked that question? किसने गाना गाया है? ये रोहित ने पूछा
He
ना?
was quiet.
हाँ.
रोहित ने पूछा.
Dude, that was a phenomenal question. I was this close to saying Suresh Wadkar. I was like,
I was looking at him. But
Uday, I was super disappointed with your answers. You don't get to say कि किसका question. इतने obvious answers दिए थे उदय ने that I did not even pick one of his answers. This
I
was the
will play better.
bonus
I will
question
play
that I
better
I
next
just
time.
went by the
Swati, I
logic.
promise you, I'll play better next time. मेरे को honestly लगा था कि ये जो questionnaire है, that was to allow you to introduce people better. I didn't know it's going to be used in the game. I swear.
do you see now? Swati,
All right.
now?
Swati, I just use the logic that if I stick to one person, कभी तो उसका chance आएगा. So I stuck to
Asmita
there in every
Rati was
round.
the winner. The winner is Isha and Khyati. Thank you, Asmita, for that interjection because we needed it. Thank you so much for everybody who's joined. We were way over time, but thank you for sticking around. We will see you next week with another episode of Kiska Band Bajega. Thank you, everybody.
This
Thanks
was
to all
fun,
my
guys. Good to see
participants.
you
And
all.
thank you
Thanks,
for everyone
Swati.
who's
Good night.
Alright,
Bye,
जिए जा.
everyone.
Keep well, eat well.
Cheers,
Good night.
everybody.
Bye.
Cheers.